What's up, everyone? You know how crazy the sneaker world has gotten with mystery boxes. You see them all over your feed, people unboxing absolute fire, and sometimes, well, not so much. But now Drake and Nike are officially getting in on the action with their own NOCTA mystery box, and it's only $50. This is your chance to get your hands on some seriously unreleased NOCTA gear. So, how does it work? The boxes are divided into 4 tiers. Everyone starts at tier 4, which is the standard level. Here you can expect to find things like tees, hoodies, caps, sweats, and even some lesser-known footwear styles. But here's the exciting part. A select number of buyers will get a free upgrade to the higher, more exclusive tiers. Let's talk about those upgrades. Tier 3 is limited to just 750 units. This is where you'll find sold-out and waitlisted items. Think puffer jackets, camo shorts, and even some of the sought-after hot step 2 and 3 styles. Not bad for a $50 entry, right? But it gets even better. Tier 2 is where the real heat starts to show up. This tier is capped at only 300 units and is packed with exclusive friends and family items. We're talking about the super rare EYBL and Kentucky NOCTA glides. You might also find exclusive vests, skate decks, and even a NOCTA golf bag. Imagine pulling one of those. And finally, the Holy Grail, Tier 1. This is the absolute pinnacle, with only 40 units available worldwide. This tier is loaded with the rarest exclusives and true one-of-one pieces made specifically for Drake himself. We're talking custom Air Force One South, a snakeskin hot step eye, and premium leather jackets and pants. These are items that money usually can't buy. Plus, NOCTA's Instagram even teased what looks like an unreleased Drake Air Max Plus in Toronto Raptors colors. Could that be in one of these boxes? So, if you're feeling lucky and want a shot at some of the most exclusive NOCTA gear ever released, head over to the NOCTA website and grab your mystery box for $50. The link is in the description below. This is a huge opportunity, so don't miss out. Let me know in the comments if you're going for it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.